You desire wholeness. I'm talking here about holistic well-being. What if I give you 3 quick steps to get towards the path of wholeness? I want to talk to people who are going through difficult challenges now. Are you experiencing a kind of trauma due to divorce, due to grief, or loss of a loved one? How do you move past this overwhelming emotion of yours towards the path of wholeness? The 3 steps that I'm going to give you will help you greatly. The first one, you need to identify your emotional needs. What are those areas that needs attention that you can intentionally help yourself to regain back your balance, to build your resilience or enhance your resilience? You need to identify them and intentionally do them, which will lead you to the path of wholeness. The second step, you need to commit yourself to self-care. Self-care is self-love. And self-care, it involves mental, physical, spiritual, emotional stability. So you need to commit yourself to self-care. And the third step, you need to have a guide, someone to help you along, to guide you through this path of wholeness, like a coach. I'm Dr. Josephine. I'm a professional life coach, and I specialize in divorce, trauma, grief, loss recovery, helping people to restore them back to their wholeness, to thrive, to grow personally or professionally after experiencing trauma. Nobody keys in or wants to be traumatized, but life happens. Life happens when that divorce we never planned for occur. Life happens when that loved one dies. You are not expecting it, but it happens. After all this situation, this trauma, you need to discover your path to wholeness. I can help you to guide you through this wholeness. Call me on 404-590-8414 or check my website, languageos.com. Check further details in my description link. My clarion call is for you to discover and recover from your traumatic experience and walk the path of wholeness.